In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your brake light switch on your Chevy Colorado. It's located on your brake pedal. We're going to unplug it, push in on the tab, and remove the connector. Set it aside. To remove it, you're going to turn it counterclockwise and let it pop out. And then you're going to replace it by turning it clockwise. Insert the brake light switch, apply pressure, and turn it to tighten it and lock it in place. Now you're going to plug it in. Make sure you line up that connector correctly and push it in. You should hear a click. Now you're going to have someone check your brake lights for you and make sure everything's working.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.